Sorry.
Bye, Doggy.
See ya.
Goodbye, Dog.
See ya.
Hello, Kitty. Bye, Doggy.
See ya.
Bye, Doggy.
Alright, alright.
Say goodbye.
He did say goodbye several times.
See you later.
Please stop that, Andrew.
There goes Ella Marianoff back down.
What's the signal? What do we get? Green signal. That's probably a good thing. Over the track.
Someone doesn't signal watch.
You can at least clear the signal for us.
We've got the speaker flowers there.
Is he? We lost race, there's a trap point.
But then the engine will crash.
There's a trap point, isn't there?
There's the bridge. Anyone?
So basically they prefer it if it's so whichever way is downhill, the train coming up the hill has never stopped coming. You don't let, if you're passing, you don't let the train that's going down the hill in the loop first. So clearly can't be true because when we take the Tan-Y-Bwlch the first time, the train going down was already in the thing.
Yes, but now, one side,
Get a head on. So they prefer to head on than the sides one.
With a coupling, instead of going bang
Yeah,
together.
they would be a sudden stop. Although, considering we were running 6 minutes late by the time we actually got there. When you go around the Port Monica? What you do?
Our next stop's Memphis, isn't it?
loop, apparently.
Maybe we're passing the red one.
Oh, there's a signaller here now. Maybe stopping to pick up.
Is it the station?
No, we might be stopping to pick up this guy. No? Yes, we are. Okay, we'll do it there. Thanks, guys.